We'll guide you through how to use the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for ChatGPT. Once you find the app, go ahead and download it. After it's installed, tap to open the app. You'll need to sign in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have one, you can create it by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main chat interface. To start a conversation, simply tap on the text box at the bottom of the screen and type your question or message. Tap the send button, and ChatGPT will generate a response for you. You can ask anything from simple questions to more complex inquiries, and ChatGPT will do its best to provide helpful answers. If you want to adjust any settings, you can tap the menu icon at the top right of the screen. Here, you can manage your account, change theme settings, and access help if needed. If at any point you want to start a new conversation, tap the New Chat button to clear the current session and begin fresh. Remember to keep your app updated regularly for the best experience and new features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.